Hi, my name is Marcy. I'm the owner of Regal Tutors, and today I'm going to teach you my favorite way to study for math tests. First, you're going to get out your textbook. Even if your teacher doesn't use the textbook that much, her worksheets are based on a certain chapter from the textbook, so you can use the textbook to study. For example, let's say your test is on chapter 6. You're going to open up your textbook to the first section of chapter 6. Once you've turned to the first section, go ahead and get a pack of Post-it notes. Ideally, they would be a dark color so you can't see through them, but this is what I found in my house, and anything really will do. And you're going to go ahead and cover up the answer to the first problem, and then you're going to do the first problem. So for example, this one says, find each measure RS. So I look over here, I want to find RS. I see that this is a perpendicular bisector, so SP and SR are the same. So you're going to take out your notebook and say this was example 1, 6.8. And then you go ahead and check your answer. Look, 6.8. Yay! I would recommend going ahead and doing B and C if there's multiple letters in the same example, because sometimes they cover slightly different concepts. If you do B and C and you get them all right, great. Go ahead and go on to example 2. If you do these and you really don't understand it, then the next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and in the actual section, find the exercises, and you can see in exercises 3 through 6, they're all based on example 1. So you could do any of these and check your answers in the back of the book. If they're odd or if they're even, you can go to slater.com, which I'll make another video about, and find the even answers there to check your work. Once you feel like you've gotten this concept down for example 1, you want to go back and go ahead and do example 2. Depending on whether you're taking honors or regular math, you may or may not have to do the word problems, so you can just pick and choose based on what you have done so far in your homework is probably what your test is going to be like. And then you just go through each example, go ahead, cover up the answer, do the example, check your work, and it's great because if you got it wrong, you can go ahead and look at the step-by-step explanation of how to do it. Sometimes some textbooks are going to be arranged a little bit differently. This one I said it'll say see example 1 and had all of the problems that have to do with the first concept in example 1, but others don't say that. For other textbooks, at the end of the example it'll say now try practice problem 7. You'll turn in your exercises and you'll find problem number 7 in the exercises, and you can go ahead and do those problems. Everything in the area until the next set of directions will cover the same concept.